huh? Hey, welcome to another show. Today we're going to be taking a look at two racetracks from Hot Wheel. The first one is the Super 6-lane Raceway. The second one is the 4-lane Eliminator racetrack. This one, about $26 on Amazon. This one, you're only going to get this on Amazon or eBay. It's running for $140. And it's 8 foot long, so you need to have a place to put it. So, when we head on over to the testing department, we'll take a look at setup and some differences and the fun factor of these things. All right, let's go. Luke, where is my carburetor? Hey, thanks a lot for watching our videos today. And whatever track you choose, if it's a Super 6-lane highway, if you got room for that 8-foot track, or if it's a straight track, or even a board that's angled like this, you are going to have a lot of fun just playing Hot Wheels. That's what it's all about. So, thank you for watching our videos. Please check out our other videos on our channel. And have a fun day. And may the force be with you. We'll see you later.